Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into QVC credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your QVC credit card online, start off with opening up a web browser. Go to the URL box appearing at the top of the screen and type in qvc.syf.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in this page where you can see the logo of the Synchrony Bank over here at the top. To log in and access to your QVC credit card, you'll need to go ahead and enter your Synchrony Bank credentials in the text boxes since your QVC credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank. Go to the first text box where it says user ID and type in your user ID. Remember that the user ID will differ from your QVC.com account. Once you type in your user ID, head over to the password field and type in your password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID in this particular device, click on this Remember User ID box beneath. Leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device for your security. And once you are done typing in your credential, you can go ahead and log into your account. But in case you don't remember your user ID or your password and you don't know what to do next, click on this I forgot my user ID or password link and follow the instructions and you'll be able to get hold of your user ID or your password. Finally, after typing in your credential, click the Secure Login button and you'll be able to log into your QVC credit card online via Synchrony Bank. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.